everybody! Artistic Flair here, and for today's drawing tutorial, I'm giving you a step-by-step demonstration on how to draw Iron Man. Let's begin! Like always, I'm gonna start out with the guidelines. We're gonna lightly sketch out the main body. Now we're gonna start with his suit's eyes. Next, we're gonna shape the bottom piece of his helmet before we add in the mouth piece and chin. Now, going to the top of the helmet, think of the piece as a widow's peak. Add the circle piece on the helmet. Start to draw the top and bottom part of the helmet. We're gonna start adding detail to his armor. I'm gonna start out with the round reactor, and I'm gonna connect it with the other pieces. Start shaping his shoulder before we draw his hand. Be aware that his fingers are not completely covered in metal, and his palm has the lines that connect over to the circle piece. Drawing his other arm, which is going to look a little smaller due to the perspective that we're viewing him. His arm has a few detailing pieces, and his hand will be in a fist formation. You can start out by drawing the thumb, then shape the fingers along, or you can draw the fingers first and then add in the thumb. Now we're gonna draw his torso. This part is a little hard to explain, but just watch what I'm doing here and then try to recreate it. You don't have to add in the shading to like the torso part. This is usually just for where the color is gonna be, and it's easier when I'm drawing to see the shading. But we're gonna start drawing in the left leg now. His leg has two colors. It's gonna be the yellow and red, so be aware. These two pieces will be separated. The top piece, which is the yellow piece, will be shaped like a rectangle, kinda. While the rest of his leg is gonna be more rounded out. Now for his right leg, shaping the top of his leg like a rectangle, like the other leg, and include in the details. Then adding in the details to the bottom portion of his leg to connect over to his shoes. And that's pretty much it to drawing Iron Man, which I think went pretty well. Being that it's my first time ever drawing him, all that's left to do now is to ink and color him. And so I'll talk to you guys at the end. Thank you all for watching this video. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like. It lets me know that you like content like this or that I'm teaching you right. It helps me out when I'm determining what kind of tutorials I'm going for, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing over to the channel and get notified on any upcoming content. As always, stay creative!